What's going on, guys? Justin here, back at it again with another Qlife video. So, if you haven't seen the videos yet, my rear tire is shot. So I ran to Walmart real quick just so I could ride around, and I grabbed another tire, and I had this tube that I bought earlier on off Amazon. Those are Maxxis inner tubes. I wanted to get some Maxxis tires, but I'm going to hold off on the Maxxis tires until the front one goes, and then I'll just buy the whole set, because the set's like 90 bucks, so I'm not trying to spend 90 bucks right now. So, that'll have to be later on. I forgot that since this is an electric bike, there's a wire going to the hub, so I have to remove that in order to get this wheel off. Alright, now that we've got the wheel off, we can install our tire. Alright. Get started on removing our valve stem cap here. Now the tire. These sidewalls are so thin. Oh my gosh. Around. Good. I always like to inflate my inner tube just a tad, so when I go to install it, I don't pinch it too much, and it's just easier to get on. Should be good there. Much easier to install with it a little inflated, in my opinion. It's fine. Alright. Pump her out. Now, were you curious? My dog Nubby's curious. Well, not my dog, but family dog. It's not showing. What's the max inflation to? 65 psi, I think it says. Hold on. Yeah, 65 psi. Pump it up to 40 like I did the last time. Perfect. That's good enough. Should be pumped up enough. Put our valve stem cap back on. The gayest valve stem caps ever. I thought they were funny. It's like a little gag. I think some people have already noticed it already. It's pretty funny. All right, now all that's left to do is put it back on the bike and give her a good old test. Now we can put our tire back on here. Our entire wheel assembly. Our brakes look good. That's good. Very easy to do this. Very simple. Alright, now the zip time here. Alrighty, you guys. Everything is ready to go. There's nothing else left to do but give her a little test. Alright, you guys, my battery for the Qlife is on the charger right now, but this is just to give it a little test, make sure everything's good. And she is good to go, boys. I hope you guys are enjoying the content so far. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.